entire case was an attempt to target the RSS and arrest RSS leaders, arrest Yogi Adityanath, and arrest even the Sarsang Chalak of the RSS, Mohan Bhagwat, and my first witness on the program tonight, if I may call him that. Ladies and gentlemen, इनका नाम है महबूब मुजावर जी, ये ATS के पूर्व अधिकारी हैं.
In fact, this conspiracy was not hatched by the Home Ministry, the then Home Ministry, nor by the ATS or NIA. This conspiracy was hatched by the international organization with the help of the 10 Janpath. The script was written in the 10 Janpath. No Congress leader, like whether Shinde, Chidambaram, or anyone, they all knew that what RSS was, is. They were just following the master's voice. So Dirty Trick Department was sitting the 10 Janpath, who were their guide, the forces outside the country. That is a matter of investigation.
There's a video going viral on social media of Prithviraj Chauhan, who was the Maharashtra Chief Minister in 2011, where he says, saffron terror mat bolo, भगवा आतंकवाद मत बोलो, आपको यदि कहना ही है तो हिंदू टेरर शब्द का इस्तेमाल करो, हिंदू फंडामेंटलिस्ट टेरर शब्द का इस्तेमाल करो, सनातनी टेरर शब्द का इस्तेमाल करो.
Coined the saffron terror phrase.
Can you imagine a Congress chief minister talking of Sanatani terror? It can't get more shameful than this. Has Prithviraj Chauhan, Rahul Gandhi,
BJP very respectfully invited the person who coined the phrase saffron terror to join its ranks. They will take it for Lok Sabha, wherein the minister in the Union cabinet. It is clear that the phrase was deliberately coined to defend the Congress party. No leader of the Congress ever used this term. Congress party always had a stand that religion has nothing to do with terrorism. Terrorists are terrorists. What is the religion? What is the religion of DRDO scientist Pradeep Gurlekar? What is the religion of Dhruv Saxena, who has been spying for Pakistan? What is the religion of YouTuber Jyoti Malhotra, who supplied secret information to Pakistan? Congress always said that religion has nothing to do with terrorism. Terrorists are terrorists. What did the public prosecutor in this case, Rohini Saline,
till today
said in 2015? She went on record and said that the NIA had directed her to slow down the prosecution and go soft on the accused in the case. One of the victims had also filed a case in the Supreme Court wherein Srimati Rohini Saline had presented a plethora of evidence which was upheld by the Supreme Court.
I want to play a clip.
And then also, your narrative is not diluted. Then you deny the media of its right to just express itself. So the problem, whatever your problem is, you guys are getting exposed on an everyday basis, and this will continue to happen because you never stood on the right side of things.
Now. Today
you have a problem with a Muslim.
Could this all have happened only with... Could Chidambaram, Sonia and Rahul not have been in full knowledge about this at that time? Sushil Shinde, Chidambaram, Rahul, इनको सब पता था ना क्या हो रहा है, मोहन भागवत को अरेस्ट करने का प्लान. It can't be just a police officer alone trying to do it, right, Pankaj? You don't believe that, do you?
Well, that you have such a great faith in a person who had corruption and other criminal charges against him, who and his wife were arrested because they compelled a family to vacate their house on gunpoint. You want the nation to believe this Mahbub Mujawar, who has said that he was asked to arrest Mohan Bhagwat. So funny, do you think a junior sub-inspector of ATS would be assigned this job?
Mahbub Mujawar
Sahab saying he was asked to arrest Ram Kalsangra, Sandeep Dange,
तो एक बात बताइए, एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए, एक मिनट पंकज, सवाल है मेरा. पंकज, I have a question for you. Why don't you listen to me? Pankaj, listen. Pankaj, just relax here and listen to me. I have an answer for you. Everyone on. Pankaj, you are saying how can a sub-inspector or assistant police inspector arrest Mohan Bhagwat? Can I ask you, do you expect the Director General of Police to go and do the arrest? Are you mad? Sachin Waze came to my house to arrest me. He was an assistant police inspector, not the DGP. Have you understood?
You are not the RSS
आपको
chief.
समझ, I am not Mohan Bhagwat, I agree, but DGP does not go for an arrest. महबूब साहब को जवाब देने का अधिकार है। महबूब मुजावर जी, सवाल आप पर रखा गया है। ये कह रहे हैं कि आप बहुत जूनियर अफसर थे। आपको पहली बात है, आपको कहा गया कि आप मुसलमान हैं, इसलिए आपने अपनी जमीर की बात सुनी, उस पर जवाब दीजिए। जरा तला जी को इस पर जवाब दीजिए। तला जी, एक मिनट, तला ऑन द अदर साइड, आप रुकिए एक मिनट। तला जी जी, बोलिए महबूब साहब। महबूब साहब बोल रहे हैं, आप एक मिनट रुके जी।
मैं सीनियर इंस्पेक्टर था और मैं सीनियर इंस्पेक्टर के हैसियत से वहां पे नौकरी करने गया था। मैं जूनियर नहीं था। मेरी कम से कम 32 इयर्स सर्विस थी।
दूसरी बात कही गई है कि आपकी अपनी बैकग्राउंड पर सवाल उठाया गया है। पंकज जी ने कहा कि आपकी अपनी बैकग्राउंड साफ नहीं है, इसलिए आपकी बातों को सीरियसली नहीं लेना चाहिए। आप उनको क्या कहेंगे?
मेरी बैकग्राउंड आपको कुछ मालूम नहीं है। मैं बहुत बड़े बड़े काम किया हूँ। मेरा रेपुटेशन देख के बुलाया गया था। मेरे को क्या के लिए बुलाया उधर? खाली बुला के बिठाया था क्या?
के सदर बाजार में
मेरे को इतना स्टाफ क्यों दिया गया था? मेरे को
मामले में
मेरा काम देख के गया था।
पंकज कुछ पूरे, पंकज बोलिए।
नहीं, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ वाजर साहब, आपने सोलापुर के सदर बाजार में गन पॉइंट पे एक बंगला खाली कराने की कोशिश की थी या नहीं? उस मामले में आपकी गिरफ्तारी हुई थी या नहीं?
एक मिनट,
आपको जो सीपेट फंड से पैसा दिया गया था,
आप महबूब साहब जवाब देंगे। टाइम आप है। महबूब मुजावर जी,
मेरा केस निर्दोष हो गया। उसी केस में इन्होंने मेरे को इन्वॉल्व किया था।